How to uninstall WeChat on Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'll guide you to uninstall WeChat on Android device. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's begin. So, there are three different ways to uninstall WeChat. One is from your home screen. Locate WeChat app. Long press on the icon and tap the trash button on the menu, and you can tap on uninstall button and then your app will be uninstalled. The second way is simply go ahead and open Play Store, and from here you need to tap on the search icon at bottom right. Tap the search bar and type in WeChat. If you have installed WeChat, you will see the uninstall button simply next to it. You need to tap on uninstall button and confirm the uninstallation, and then you can uninstall WeChat on your Android. The last method is simply you need to go ahead and access the settings of your phone. Scroll down, look for apps option and tap to open it. Now tap on app management at top of your screen, and with the help of the search bar at top of the screen, you need to type in WeChat. If you have installed WeChat, you will easily find WeChat app. You simply need to access the app info by tapping on WeChat. There you will see the trash button. Select the trash button and then confirm on installation. By following all these three steps, you are good to go to uninstall WeChat on Android device. I hope this guide was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.